TexHoo Mini PC, compact, efficient, and powerful. The TexHoo Mini PC is a versatile and compact computing solution designed for office, home, and multitasking environments. Powered by the new 12th generation Intel N100 or N95 processors, this mini PC delivers exceptional performance with 4 cores and 4 threads and speeds of up to 3.4 GHz. Whether you're handling office tasks, streaming content, or running multiple applications, this mini PC ensures smooth and efficient operation. Performance highlights: advanced CPU, Intel N100 or N95 for excellent speed and reliability. High-speed memory features brand new ADATA DDR5 RAM at 4800 MHz, ensuring fast and responsive multitasking. Storage efficiency, equipped with a Lexar M.2 2280 NVMe SSD, providing rapid data access and storage options. Connectivity options: N100 model, dual 2.5G LAN ports, 2 HDMI ports, 1 Type-C port for USB 3.0 ports, and a TF card slot for enhanced connectivity. N95 model, dual LAN ports, 2 HDMI ports, 1 Type-C port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and 2 USB 2.0 ports for diverse peripheral support. Efficient cooling and operation. The Mini PC features an efficient cooling system with intelligent thermal management to ensure optimal performance during heavy workloads while maintaining quiet operation. Compact design. Measuring small and lightweight, the TexHoo Mini PC saves space and seamlessly integrates into any office or home setup. Its portability and sleek design make it perfect for those on the go or for use in confined spaces. Tailored for modern use. Operating system, pre-installed with Windows 11, offering a modern and intuitive user experience. Graphics support, dual HDMI and Type-C ports support multiple displays for enhanced productivity. Wireless connectivity includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for fast wireless communication and peripheral pairing. Whether you're looking for a reliable office workstation or a powerful home computing solution, the TexHoo Mini PC combines performance, versatility, and compactness to meet all your computing needs.